Hey lovelies, well welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra and I'm so happy that you're here. On this channel we are going to be making DIY projects, home decor, and beauty. So if you guys are into high-end looking projects but budget friendly, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you here. Don't forget to turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. I will be making videos on a weekly basis. Well, thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Welcome lovelies, you guys are in for a treat. On this week's video, I'm making two projects for you guys. So on the first project, we are making a sign that says eat for our kitchen wall. And we're starting out by using the tumbling blocks from Dollar Tree and using the wood glue to stick them together. So I'm using 3 tumbling blocks with the wood glue to make the foundation for each of our pieces. Okay guys, so we're gonna start out with the first letter, and that's the letter E. And basically I'm just forming the shape of the letter E and just alternating each of the rows of the tumbling blocks that you see here. Okay guys, so there you have it. This is our letter E. And now we're going to be moving on to our next letter in the word eat, which is the letter A. So it's the same strategy. I'm just forming the shape of the letter A and using the Dollar Tree wood glue to put them together. Okay, so right here I was being impatient, so I kind of manipulate the letters, but you want to wait for it to completely dry before you start moving the pieces around. Okay, so that's the letter A. So now we're going to be moving on to the letter T, and it's the same process. I'm just putting everything together and forming the letter T. So once we're done with our letters and letting it completely dry, we're going to paint it. So I'm using the paint by Waverly. It's called Plaster. It's like an off-white color. And this will be the base for our lettering. I'm using a heat gun. It's supposed to speed up the drying process. As you can see here, we're moving on and just painting the rest of our letters and letting that completely dry. So once everything has dried down, we're going to add some glam. So I'm using these stick-on mirror tiles. I got those from Amazon, and I'm just gonna be applying those around all of our letters to make it like really pop and really shiny. Hey guys, well if you're new to my channel, well thank you for stopping by. You know I love to have you here. Well, please consider subscribing to this channel if you guys are into DIYs and home decors, and pretty soon I'm going to be putting out my beauty videos, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And all of my current subscribers, well thank you always for watching my videos. After I putting the mirror tiles around the perimeter of the letter, I'm using my gold ribbon. I got it from Amazon to outline the E. And also I'm gonna bling it out by using the Dollar Tree bling wrap and sticking on the letters. I went back and filled out all the letters with bling wrap and more gold ribbon around it. For DIY number 2, I'm using the Dollar Tree fall sign. I'm turning it over and then I'm going to be painting it the color Plaster by Waverly. Guys, if you're enjoying the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So I'm gonna deck out my burlap ribbon, which I got from Ross, and I'm putting bling wrap all around it. It's gonna look super cute. I got these spoons from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna cut it and I'm gonna use 4 of them to make a little frame and put it on our board. Make sure you use good hot glue to secure it in place. Okay, for the next part, I'm still using the spoons. I'm just cutting it and using the handles and applying some bling wrap on the handle to make it nice and blingy. Okay, so I've cut about 8 of those blingy handles, and right now I have my wooden spoon, which I got from Ross, and I'm just mapping out my design. So as you can see, I have 4 on top, 3 on the bottom, and I cut a little piece in half and put it right after the third one. And now we're going to make sure that we glue them in place. To paint our wooden spoon, I'm going to be using this gliding wax in a gold color. It's so beautiful. So this is what we're using to give it an extra pop. So this is how it's looking painted. You want to make sure you get the sides as well. We're going to bling out the side of the wooden spoon with that same mirror tiles. The only thing I would do differently next time is I would not paint the side first, because the paint was kind of hard for the mirror to stick onto it properly. So I guess you could leave the sides unpainted if you're going to apply the mirror tiles. So we're just going to continue to apply the mirror tiles until all of the perimeter of the spoon is covered. Hey lovelies, well, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying the video, and click on your bell notification so you don't miss any of my future uploads, and give me a thumbs up. Initially, I had put some glue there, but it got dried up. So anyway, I'm going to reapply a fresh coat of glue, and I'm going to be sticking it on top of our board. The little frame that we had made, so now I'm applying it right on top of the spoon there. So now I'm using bling wrap from Dollar Tree to cover the little handle. It's made out of twine, and I didn't like the look, and I want it really blingy, so that's why I'm putting that around it. Sorry, the footage is not that good, but that's what I'm doing there. We can't forget our little ribbon. Off camera, I made the fork to match our set, and this is how it's looking. Right here is our finishing touches. I got those little gems from Michael, and I'm just applying them there to make it nice and cute. Wow, this is so beautiful, guys. I put this on my kitchen wall. Let me know what you guys think. I definitely think it's a statement piece. Thank you for watching.